Okay, we're going to do a couple of regressions and progressions of this exercise. It's called a Mace Uppercut. What I like to call a Mace Uppercut. I'm sure there's loads of variations out there. So this is the one I like to use. We'll take the video directly in front as you are, Tony, right now. First thing we're looking for, our half kneeling position. Check out the video on half kneeling for more detail on that. But you really want to work that position hard. Abs should be working hard, just being here alone. So Hasiem, as you can see, keeping those hips nice and square, upper back nicely rotated. He's then going to generate power by pushing in through that left leg, stabbing the left elbow up, rotating and following with a punch. That's where the uppercut comes into it. Come back down again. Let's give me a couple of reps of that. Stab, punch. Once more, stab, punch. Keep that elbow nice and high and imagine there's a wall right beside you so that you don't go out too wide with it. We can progress this then. So he's here in that uppercut position. We can then drive through that left leg to stand. And we can progress this even further. He can then step forward on that right leg and press over his supporting leg. So we're getting lots of changing supports, changing levels. And as you come back down, rotation. So focusing, if we're taking it all the way up to that progression, focusing on how we're constantly changing where our supporting leg is. So it's gone left, into the right, and then I'm bringing my weight or my mass over my right. Okay? So always meshing up center of mass with base of support. Awesome. Excellent. Now, one big mistake that always happens with this is people go too wide and they fall back. They cave on their ribs here. So, falling back like that. Or too wide out here, just throwing with their arms. So something we can do, Tony, if you pop over here, is set you up by the wall. So you're going to go opposite leg. And you're going to scoot as close to the wall as you can, and then the weight is on the open side. Yeah. So now, right, he's forced to keep this as close to his body as possible. And those abs really have to work. And you come back down. And up again. Good. And you can see Hasiem's got the mobility to do it, to actually come touching the wall. You don't have to go that close, but the closer you can get, the more these guys are going to have to work, the less we're going to be able to compensate through the body. So that's a nice little regression to work on if you're new to this. Okay?